In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to ExpressVPN. Connecting to ExpressVPN helps create a secure, encrypted tunnel for your internet traffic, which can protect your data from your internet provider and add an extra layer of safety when you're using public Wi-Fi. Once your account is already set up, the process is quick and simple. First, open the ExpressVPN app on your device. You can usually find the icon on your desktop, in your app dock, in the system tray, or on your phone's home screen. Go ahead and launch it. If this is your first time opening the app on that device, you may be asked to sign in or activate it. On desktop or TV, enter your activation code from your account dashboard. On mobile, sign in with your account credentials or use the QR code login option if it's available. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the main app screen. Next, you'll choose the server location you want to connect to. Right below the large power button, you'll see the current location setting. By default, this is often set to Smart Location, which usually picks a nearby server with good speed and low latency. If you want a different country or city, click the three horizontal dots on the right side of the location bar. This opens the VPN locations window, where you can browse the full list of available servers. From there, decide how you want to find your server. You can use recommended if you want fast, commonly suggested locations, recent if you want to reconnect to something you used before, or all locations if you want to browse the entire global list. To narrow things down faster, click into the search bar at the top and type the country or city you want. If a location has multiple server options, click the small drop-down arrow to expand the list and view the available city nodes. Then double-click the server you want, and it will load into the main dashboard. Now return to the main ExpressVPN screen and click the large power button once. The app will begin connecting. You may see a short animation while it establishes the secure tunnel. After a few seconds, the interface should change to a green connected status, showing that your VPN is active. As a final check, open a new private or incognito browser window. In the address bar, go to ExpressVPN's IP check page and confirm that the displayed IP address and location match the server you selected. Also, make sure the page shows that your traffic is protected. Once that looks correct, your ExpressVPN connection is live and ready to use securely.